Good morning, students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss about chapter number 10, Agriculture in Social Science. After discussing oil seeds, we are going to discuss about hot beverages. Okay, after hearing the name, you can have also idea about beverages. Okay, tea, coffee, that kind of crops are in beverages. We are going to discuss about tea. Let us start with tea. Tea is a plant of tropical as well as temperate zone in both way. Okay, tropical region is also favorable and temperate zone is also favorable for cultivation of tea. The tea leaf and its tender sprouts are processed and its powder and small leaves are used in drinks. Okay, tea leaves of the tea and tender sprouts buds, okay, are processed and powder, its powder and small leaves are used in drinks. India produce maximum after China. Okay, so first number is China. After China, India produce maximum beverages, particularly tea. Sri Lanka, China and India are leading tea exporters. Okay, we export in outside country also. What kind of land is needed? It is here sloppy land where the water easily flows down. Okay, water must not stuck there, it must be flown down. Then good, what is the content in a tea? So good iron contents, maybe your question. Okay, so in tea good iron contents is there. Then temperature 20 degree to 30 degree Celsius temperature and about 200 centimeter of rainfall coming in the form of shower throughout the year are favorable condition for tea plantation. Okay, so 200 centimeter rainfall is needed, but in which way? In a shower form. Okay, throughout the year. Tea is grown more in Assam, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Okay, so that are the region, that are the states. Again I am repeating: West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Assam and West Bengal produce about 75% tea of nation. That tea leaves are very skillfully plucked from the plants. Again I am telling you, Assam, okay, and West Bengal both, about 75 percentage, okay, they produce tea. And one other thing what you have to keep in your mind, tea leaves are skillfully plucked. Okay, there are special labor, they work in a tea plantation. You can see some pictures have been given over here. Okay, in the time of the uh, like Britishers, for tea workers, they do not allow, okay, to travel far places. Okay, once they have stuck in particular area, till that crop does not get over, they could not away from that place. The reason was that special labor can work there. Okay, they made laws for it. Now next one is coffee. Let us see about the coffee. Coffee is red over the slopes of mountain in shades of large trees in a such a way that no direct sunlight falls on the coffee leaves. The coffee crop needs 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall and 50 degree to 28 degree temperature and slopy mountain land. Okay, what is the requirement? Uh, Coffee crop needs 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall is needed and temperature 15 degree to 28 degree. Okay, A sloping mountain land is needed. One other thing is this: coffee is red the slopes of mountain in shades of large trees. Okay, you can see, and there are some big trees, large trees, and downside the coffee is grown. So the directly sunlight, okay, makes wrong effect on it, otherwise makes harmful effect on it. Now coffee is grown in abundant in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so that are the place. One other thing you have to keep in your mind: Kurg. Kurg area of Karnataka is well-known region for coffee production. Okay, it can be asked which area of Karnataka is well-known region for coffee production. So what you have to keep in your mind? Kurg. Coffee seeds are extracted out the nuts, grinded, and then it is used as a drink. Okay, so nuts extracted out of the seeds extracted out of the nuts, then grinded it, and then it is used as a drink. Then next one is cocoa. Cocoa is prepared out of seeds of cocoa fruit. Cocoa is a beverages. Cocoa is prepared from coca. It requires hot and humid climate and excessive rainfall. Okay, it needs hot and humid, okay, climate and excessive rainfall. Much rain is needed. African countries are its major producers because they are nearby equator, so there is much rain that place. Okay, cocoa production is on increase in Kerala in India. If we think in Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu states. Okay, so that are the places, the states where cocoa is produced, means Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu states. Okay, students, after finishing beverages, we are going to discuss about cash crop. Okay, as the name suggests, cash crop, actually generally farmer they grow some crops for their own consumption like grain and all that. Okay, because of that own consumption throughout the year, and farmers they grow some crops for their need of the money. Okay, requirement for money, so that is why they are called cash crop. They directly sell in the market and they are getting good money by growing cash crop also. So start with cotton. Cotton is a kharif crop. Cotton holds an important place as cash crop in Gujarat and in India. Okay, cotton holds an important place as cash crop in Gujarat and India. At world level, India is the second place in the production, use, and export of cotton. One thing is there, we are the producer of the cotton, otherwise textile, and we are the what say consumer of it also, because by this, okay, the number of people of India, and they are having good clothes. So that is why it is said at world level India is the second place in the production, uses, and export of cotton. Cotton without seeds is obtained from the cotton plant. This cotton is known as white gold. Okay, cotton is known as a white gold. Okay, there's just like coal is called black gold, so cotton is called white gold in India. Besides the cotton seeds, oil is used to prepare edible oil, and its seeds and oil cake are used as animal food. After all that, what say, instead of using textile nowadays, people they are using as a edible oil, कपासिया oil जो हम खाते हैं वो. Afterwards, oil cakes are used for animal food also. So remaining, okay, the waste, once you have taken oil from seeds and remaining thing is there, okay, which is called oil cakes and which are used for animal food. Then black lava soil, which can retain humidity for longer time. Soil with plenty of minerals contains hot and humid climate. So black lava soil is needed. It can retain humidity for a long time. Then soil with plenty of minerals contains and hot and humid climate is needed. 20 degree to 35 degree temperatures and 30 to 70 centimeter rainfall etc. are favorable condition for cotton. The growing season for cotton is about 6 to 8 months. Okay, some crops you can harvest within 3 to 4 months. Okay, but cotton takes 6 to 8 months. Frost damages the cotton crop. Okay, frost means जो विंटर सीजन में होता है. ओके, फॉग जैसा. In India, major cotton production states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Okay, that are the states which produce maximum cotton. As the farmers of Gujarat have accepted BT cotton seeds. Okay, now you can see nearby maybe where you are living. Otherwise, where if you go in countryside area, okay, there are BT cotton, okay, accepted BT cotton seeds. Gujarat stands first in India in area shown, productivity, total production and quality of cotton. Okay, so production, then quality of cotton. Okay, Gujarat is first in India. Cotton is grown more in Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sambarkatha, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar, Patan, Junagadh and Jamnagar districts. Okay, so in that places cotton is grown more. Okay. So that is a map which shows that grown area of particular crop, jute, sugarcane and cotton. So you can see cotton, that area. Okay, just pink shade. Jute was also, after we discuss this thing. Okay. Now next one is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a major crop in India. Maximum sugarcane is shown in India in the world. Okay, maximum sugarcane is shown in India in the world. Okay, we have a level land, that is why. In production, India ranks second after Brazil. Sugar, gur, khandsari and ethanol are produced out of sugarcane. Okay, so that are the products: sugar, gur, khandsari and ethanol are the production from sugarcane. खांडसरी मतलब साकर in Gujarati. Black fertile alluvial lava soil, hot and humid climate, 21 degree to 27 degree temperature, 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall are necessary for sugarcane. That are the places. Uttar Pradesh is at the top in area shown, but Maharashtra leads in the production. South Gujarat and Saurashtra produce more sugarcane in Gujarat. So again I am telling you, Uttar Pradesh is at the top in area shown because of that much water sugarcane has need. So that is why, and level land is needed. So Uttar Pradesh is at the top area in shown, but Maharashtra leads in the production. But production, maximum production comes from Maharashtra. Okay, because of having good technology and all that. Okay, then in Gujarat, South Gujarat and Saurashtra produce more sugarcane in Gujarat. Then next one is jute. गनी बैग जिससे बनती है जूट. Jute in India produces maximum of jute in the world. Now India produces maximum of jute in the world. This jute fiber is called golden fiber. Jute cloth, gunny bags, mattresses, ropes, bags, footwear, handicrafts items, etc. are made from jute. Okay, so that are the things, clothes and gunny bags and mattresses, ropes. You know, you are used to with these bags, footwears, handicrafts item are made from jute. India has strong competition from Bangladesh with regards to cheap labor in just industries. One other thing is this, ये बहुत या जूट जो प्रोडक्शन करना है उसमें लेबर बहुत ज़रूरत होते हैं और लॉन्ग टाइम उसमें काम चलता है. तो ज़्यादा लेबर चाहिए, तो चीप लेबर होगा तो वो बिज़नेस सक्सेसफुल रहेगा. तो हमको बांग्लादेश की कंपटीशन जो है वो सामने आ रही है. उसका रीज़न कि बांग्लादेश बहुत गरीब देश है हमारे से भी. एक्चुअली बांग्लादेश यू नो वॉज द पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, पर जब से हमने उसको छोड़ दिया तब से वो ऑलरेडी गरीब हो गया, ज़्यादा से था उससे भी. और वहाँ लोगों के पास कोई काम नहीं है तो छोटा मोटा काम और कम पैसे मिले तो उसमें रेडी होते. इसीलिए इंडिया को बांग्लादेश से कंपटीशन रहती है लेबर के हिसाब से. जूट रिक्वायर्स फर्टाइल सॉइल ऑफ डेल्टा रीजन वेयर न्यू सेडिमेंट इज डिपॉजिटेड एवरी ईयर. बारिश से या रिवर कोई नया सेडिमेंटेशन डिपॉजिट करती रहे. हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट 30 to 40 degree Celsius temperature and more than 100 centimeter rainfall is needed. Jute is grown more in Ganga Delta in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. That are the states where jute is grown. दूसरी जूट की अगर एक कंपटीशन की बात कर दो तो अभी जो आर्टिफिशियल जो फाइबर आया जूट के सामने बहुत किफ़ायती होता है. पैसों में भी मतलब कि थोड़ा चीप मिलता है, थोड़ा ड्यूरेबल टकाऊ भी ज़्यादा होता है. इसीलिए अब जूट के लिए थोड़ी कंपटीशन, वरना हम चाहते तो एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट में हमारा बड़ा सा नाम जूट के लिए कर सकते थे. पर अभी क्या हुआ, आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर आने लगे तो उसके सामने पैकेजिंग में कंपनी आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर का यूज़ कर रही है, जिससे जूट को अभी थोड़ी चैलेंज सहन करनी पड़ती है. अदरवाइज जो कंपटीशन जो आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर के सामने जूट इतना सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहता है. ओके, वरना हमारे पास एक अच्छा ऑप्शन था फॉरेन एक्सचेंज कमाने का. नाउ टोबैको इज अ खरीफ क्रॉप. सैंडी लोमी सॉइल, 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर एंड 100 centimeter rainfall are suitable for tobacco cultivation. Okay, loamy soil, sandy loamy soil is needed and 20 degree temperature is needed, 100 centimeter rainfall for the cultivation of tobacco. Soil is determining factor than climate for tobacco cultivation. Soil, main thing is soil. Even though may be little about the temperature doesn't matter, but soil is a matter for cultivation of tobacco. Major 4 countries in the world which grow and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India and USA. Okay, major 4 countries. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka are major states producing tobacco in India. The Charotar region of Kheda and Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal grow more tobacco. About 80% of BD tobacco of India is produced in Gujarat. Tobacco is used to make gutka, BD, cigarette, snuff, etc. Tobacco consumption is harmful to health, as we know. Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco gutka. Sikkim has put totally banned. In lockdown period, you know that was what was the price. Okay, and still I don't know what is the price, but too much price was taken from the user of tobacco, otherwise consumer of the tobacco. They know people of those who are selling tobacco, they know those who are addicted with the tobacco, they cannot live without this thing, so they are ready to pay whatever cost. Now next, rubber is prepared out of milk, oozing out of the latex tree. Keep in mind, latex tree. Acetic acid is mixed with the milk collected from rubber plantation. There is a tree of the rubber plantation. Then it is heated on low temperature to obtain rubber. It is used in mainly industrial products like tires, tubes, etc. It is used. We know, we are used to with this thing. Rubber plantation is carried out in the region of hot and humid climate and heavy rainfall. Where hot and humid climate and heavy rainfall is there. That kind of climate and soil is needed for rubber. Malaysia ranks first in the world in rubber production. Malaysia, yaad rakho. In India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura are rubber producing states. In India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura are rubber producing states. Now next, condiments and spices. Gujarat ranks first in the production of cumin seeds. Gujarat ranks first in cumin seeds, then fennel seeds and isabgol in the world. Keep this in your mind. Cumin seeds, fennel seeds and isabgol in the world. Besides these, India leads in the production and export of dried coriander, fenugreek, mustard, sawa and ajwain. Then India contributes about 35% in the total world population of condiments. Put underline 35%. India black pepper, then cinnamon, clove, etc. are in high demand in the country and world. So you know, spices which has a high demand in all over the world. That is why Britishers came in India and they also ruled on us. Ashwagandha, tulsi, karyatu, mindi aval, white musli, madhunashini, ashok, then garmal, lindi pepper, gallo, aloe vera, etc. are included as medicinal plants, and mint, menthol, palmorza, lemongrass, etc. are included as flavored crops. Some are flavored and some are medicinal plants. For spices. And next, fruits, vegetables and flower. In fruit production, India ranks second after China. India ranks second. Fruit like banana, mango, apple, grape, naspati, orange, etc. are grown in India. That are, we used to with that kind of fruit. Bananas are grown in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Apple in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and grapes in Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Kashmir, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. As the grape production is less than its demand is imported from Afghanistan. If maybe it is less grape production, so it is imported from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Australia. Besides, various vegetables are grown, flower like rose, joy, mogro, galgota, etc. also cultivated. Thus, various crops are grown in India. Okay, now things to know something more about it. Actually, animal husbandry and what's say agriculture both can do work out. Okay, it is a parallel activity for farmers. So, because of having different kind of plantation and all that, so there is a shortage of other fodders. Okay, those farmer who are cultivating cash crop and other crops, they sometimes it does not give okay fodders, okay, waste part of the plant for their animals. So that is why in some area they are also growing grass for their cattle also. So which are they we are discussing? With increasing cultivation for cash crop, there is a shortage of grass. Various type of grass like fodder crop, Dharaf Gujarat, Dharaf 1, Anjan, Pusha, Yellow Anjan, that are the we can say jati, otherwise पर्टिकुलर जाति के वो जो ग्रास होते हैं. देन मार्शल, गुजरात मार्शल ग्रास 1, देन शाइनर गुजरात शाइनर 1 and जिंजियो, दमन, हेमता and Clataria are grown in Gujarat. Generally, all types of grass should be harvested in October after 4 months for of showing them. Okay, so main thing is this: generally all grass types should be harvested in October. Okay, after 4 months of showing them. So by this way we have discussed about different crops. In next video we will discuss some technical and institutional reforms in agriculture. Because of that, in every way, everywhere, okay, new reforms come. So what kind of reforms has been come in agriculture, we will discuss in next video. Students, I am again telling you, you try to make your own fill ups, otherwise MCQ type of questions, so it is useful for you in examination also. Thank you. Have a nice day.